Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make beef bun. Let's get started. Let's start with the dough. First I am going to activate the yeast. I am using 1½ teaspoon of yeast, then added 2 teaspoons of sugar and 135 milliliters of warm milk. Mix them well and keep it close for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Next I am adding 1 medium egg and added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I am adding 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Then mix them well. Now it's time for the kneading. First I am adding 40 grams of butter. Then knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you knead them well continuously until dough becomes smoother. Then add some oil to the pan and keep it closed until dough size become double. Approximately you have to keep it closed for 1 hour. Let's move on to the filling for the bun until dough is ready. Ingredients and the quantities for the filling are mentioned on top of the video. You can change the quantities based on the taste you like. I prepared a medium spicy filling. You can use any kind of filling as you like inside the bun. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. If you've seen my videos for the first time, don't forget to follow me on the Facebook. Like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Have you tried my recipes before? If so, I would like you to rate the results in the Facebook page review from 1 to 5. Now it's time for the final preparation. Now take out the dough and then flatter it by using the hands. Then divide it to equal pieces and make round shape balls. Then flatter the pieces using the roller. Flatter the pieces to get medium thickness. Now add the filling to the pieces. You have to seal the pieces as you can see in the video. Make sure you seal them properly and shape them after sealing. If you're still watching the video and if you like more baking recipes, comment below, as I love baking. Now keep it closed for 20 minutes with clean cloth. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of milk to the egg yolk and mix them well. Apply this mixture on top of the bun to get nice brown color. Now sprinkle to sesame seeds top of the bun, and this is optional. Preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 180 Celsius, then you can transfer them to oven. Bake the buns for 15 to 20 minutes in 180 Celsius. See how nice these beef buns looks. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe. A hug and see you in the next recipe. Thank you.